Okay, we're getting a tour.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. All right.
Come on in.
This is Jacob, right?
Mm-hmm. No, she got it right.
I got it right.
Yeah, she's pretty good at that.
Mark.
She's fantastic.
Jesus.
At
This is the bus.
Hi.
It smells kind of funky.
It smells awesome in here. It smells a little bit like fuel. Fuel. Very funny. You know what? Someone's getting their butt kicked.
I should.
Hey, it actually smells great in here.
Hi, Renee. You hate it.
I'm sorry, we're
like your
like
outfit.
invading you. You do?
Okay, yes, I love that.
Jerem said, and
The shoes. I love the shoes. It's
are
the
we
red
getting
shoes.
it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Okay.
that is
So
fucking great.
yeah,
I mean,
red house, red
that's been
shoes.
phenomenal.
Okay. So doing it. Okay. I thought I might do it.
So I'll see you in there. Okay.
Okay. This is
Cool bus.
this bus is like my happy place. This is my Peter Pan happy place. Okay. Look.
Miss Daisy.
Where's Daisy? Oh, Daisy.
Oh yeah, and this in the background.
Puppy. Sweetie, good thing I didn't wear a mascara. Oh, see? You hot?